Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Cat Can Code. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to draw UML use case diagram for your software. First, you need to understand the components are normally included in a UML use case diagram. First is the actor. Actor is an external entity interacting with the system. An actor could be a user or another system, both software or hardware are okay. The next entity is use case. Use case is a function of the system to achieve the actor's goal. The next entity is the system boundary, which shows the scope of the system. There are 4 types of relationships among the entities in a UML use case diagram. The first one is association. Association shows the relationship between an actor and a use case. The next one is include. Include shows the relationship between an including use case or the base use case to an included use case. And this indicates the mandatory execution of the included use case. The next relationship is extend. Extend shows the relationship between an extending use case to an extended use case, which is the base use case in this relationship. The extending use case is optional or conditional and only be executed if some condition is triggered, or it doesn't have to be executed at all. The final relationship is generalization. Generalization shows the is a relationship between a specific actor or use case to a general actor or use case. In this video, I'm also going to show you an example of an e-commerce website and the UML use case diagram for this particular software. You can see that there are three actors in this UML use case diagram. The first one is customer. The second one is register customer. You can see that register customer is a specific type of the customer's actor. So I have the generalization arrow to show these relationships. The other actor is payment service. So this is like the system actor that is external to our particular system. So it's like a third-party payment service. So let's have a look at the use cases in our e-commerce website software. The customer can view items or register to the website. And I use the association relationship to indicate these two connections. The register customer also can view items, but they also can do checkout or quick checkout or login or to add items. This relationship between the registered customer and the listed use cases are association relationship. Let's look at the other types of relationship in this e-commerce website UML use case diagram. I have to include relationship between the add item use case and the login use case, and between the checkout use case and the login use case. This indicate that the add items and the checkout items require the login use case to be executed so that it can complete its actions. The login use case is mandatory and it is included in the add items and checkout use cases. There are two other extend relationships between the view items and the add items and between the register and the login use cases. The relationship between the register and the login use cases is that a customer may be asked to log in after registering their account. So register use case is the base case in this situation, and it is extended by the login use case. So it's optional. The login is optional after the registration. Similarly, the customer may be able to add items after viewing items. In another word, view items use case is the base use case in this situation, and it is extended by the add items use case. And again, it's also optional. After viewing the items, the customer may or may not add the items. There is also another generalization relationship between the quick checkout and the checkout. This demonstrates that the generalization relationship can be between the two actors, or it can be between the two use cases. So this is a really good example that I came up with, demonstrating all the entities in a UML use case diagram. I also compare and contrast with examples the differences between different relationships or associations or connection between entities in a UML use case diagram. And I also clearly indicate the differences between association, include, extend, and generalization relationships. Especially the differences between the include and the extend are very hard to understand. But I believe with my example, it's very easy for you to see the differences and apply these relationships correctly in your UML use case diagram for your software. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. If you think my video is useful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel to make it easier for you to see the next useful videos from me. Also, welcome to the Card Can Code community. Don't forget to share it with your friends so everyone can learn and grow together. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you in the next video.